Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back again in another video. Beloved, how are you all doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. So my people, today I have come with a very interesting topic. Yes, very interesting topic. But before I go on, I would like to use this opportunity to welcome my newest subscribers in the building. You guys are highly welcome. And to my OGs, to my returning subscribers, thank you guys. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate your time, okay? And to those who haven't subscribed, you are watching me for years, for months, for weeks. You don't want to subscribe, please kindly hit the red button that says subscribe showing on your screen, and always remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please guys, in today's video I will be teaching you step by step on how you can prepare money pots all by yourself. Yes, if you're the type that always lacks money, people don't patronize you at all, you are looking for the money to settle your bills, to settle for your house rent, to pay for your school fees, and to even live a comfortable life. Now, this video is for you. All I want you to do is please pay attention to details, because whatever thing we teach you here works perfectly well to the glory of God. But before I go on, I would like to share this testimony from one of our brother. A brother called me yesterday when I was actually driving out to take my little girl to the school. So he called me. I asked him to text me on the phone because I was on a highway. So he texted me and I was like, what is this person trying to say? So he told me that, madam, look, the assignment that you asked us to do concerning restoring your glory using 20 naira, that I did that assignment. In fact, a lot of testimony has been coming in on that particular video. A lot of testimony concerning those that their destiny has been stolen by the enemy. So I just decided to share this one. You understand? Some, they will just call me and begin to testify. I may not even remember to tell them, okay, to put it in writing. But what made me to remember yesterday on was because I was on the highway. I was actually driving, so there is no way I can pick the call. You get? So I now asked him to do what? To text it on the phone so that I will understand what he's trying to say. Apart from his testimony, other testimony has been coming, but that concerning that particular topic. Yes. So he said that after doing that restoring glory, that someone died, and that person that died came in his dream life when he was sleeping the next day. That the person, as in the next day that he was sleeping, or the same day, I think he said the same day that the person died, and the person came in his dream that night and then handed him over what he has stolen from him. Now, for those of you that think that what we are doing here is just for video sake, or what I am doing here is just for a video sake, I am sorry to let you that it's not just for a video sake, but it is reality and it is working. For those that believe, for those that, that has made up their mind to follow it. Don't say because the one that you did today did not work for you and therefore you are not going to do it. What I'm teaching here is 100% effective. Whatever recipe that I brought here to teach is confirmed recipe. I don't frame recipe or just wake up, begin to, make some videos. No guys. So he did that, and his enemy, that the person that stole his destiny, died like normal death. I don't know if you're getting me. And not only that, his glory was restored, was handed over to him by that particular person that died. You see? That is because, how did I get to know? He called me, he tested me, just like every other person out there. I just remember to put it out on my community. So whatever I am teaching you here, please take it very serious. And for those of you who are always coming to check if this lady is growing or not, I am sorry for you, because you don't know what you're doing to yourself. I decided to be teaching some deep spiritual recipe. That is because it is my calling, it is my area. It is my what? Calling and my area. And to those who are always like, they are envious of someone's progress. Someone is doing his or her thing jejely, and you are there envying that person. And you are there. Jealousness is eating you up. You don't want to see other people progressing. You don't want to see other people moving on top. You always want you. Will it work? It will not work. Wickedness is everywhere, my brethren. Wickedness is everywhere. They are the one that will preach wickedness, and they are the one that will go and do the same wickedness that they are preaching. It's too bad. It's too bad, my dear. Wickedness is not good. Instead of you to begin to envy for other people's progress or success, pray to your God, pray to your chi to give you that, to give you your own. Remove your hand from other people's progress. If not, you will quench at the long run. If not, you will bend. You say you want only you. You want only you. And you are preaching enviness. You are preaching witchcraft. You are preaching demon. You are preaching this. You are preaching that. Come on. Who are you deceiving? Who are you deceiving? Stop it. Stop being envious of some people's progress. It will not help you. When good things happen to other people, learn how to congratulate. Yes, by congratulating, you are telling God, see, I like what you did in the life of this person, and I want you to do it for me. That is what it simply means. And stop the enviness, stop the jealousy. Stop the wickedness. Stop the wickedness. Wickedness is too bad. Like, very, very bad. That will lead you to destruction. And I go say today, I don't rant. Yes, I know what I'm saying. Because there is something that I saw last night that made me to begin to talk this. Monitoring demons, they are everywhere. Both at the comment section. They are everywhere. Why are you monitoring others? Why? You people did not come from the same place. You are not doing the same business that the person is doing. You are not feeding the person. The person is not asking you for money. You don't even know the person in person, like physically one-on-one. Then why the hate? Why is the jealousy? Where is it going to lead you to? Finally, if you don't repent, it's destruction at the end. Forget about the presence. Forget about the presence. When something good happens to someone, learn how to appreciate. Learn how to congratulate. Learn how to say, God, thank you for what you did in the lives of this person. I want you to do it for me. As simple as that. And you see your life moving. Even if, yes, there were some people who say, you are comfortable, but you don't know. By removing jealousy, removing hatred, removing by biting, you don't know what God is using it to solve in your life. Some people, they will stay from year to year without being sick, from month to month without being sick. Nothing will happen to them. Do you think that it's ordinary? That's because they don't have other people's problem in mind. They don't carry the good thing that happens to other people's in mind and say, why would this thing be happening? They don't do like that. God is using, in fact, divine healing to be blessing them. It may not be richness or wealthiness, but healing, divine healing. You will not see that person that is always, happy about someone's purpose progress. You will not see the person crying or going to the hospital or doing one thing or the other. That is because the person is always happy whenever good things happen to other people. So, please and please, stop the hatred. Stop the jealousy. Stop the enviness, because it's not going to take you anywhere. And for the monitoring, see you see blindness. See you see blindness. Why are you monitoring other people's success? Stop it. Please let us just be careful. We are in the world. Okay, for a while. We are in the world. So, beloved, I don't want to go further. The revelation I had yesterday night made me to start saying this. So, guys, today, like I said earlier, I want to teach you how you can prepare money pots or money calabash that you can keep in your home. And money, it will be coming in. It will be attracting money, wealth, sales to you by God's grace. Please, if you haven't watched that video, and that video that I tag, how to restore your lost glory, I think that was the title of the video. If you haven't watched that video and you know that something is wrong with your destiny, please go and watch that video. Carry the assignment accordingly, and believe me, trust God that you are going to come out victoriously. That your stolen glory will be restored back. Go and mark my word. So, what are the ingredients? You need a calabash, a native calabash. I don't have it at home now. Maybe it's in the shop. You need sea salt. You need a sea salt. You need 21 calories. Then you need a liquefeder. Then you need cabbage. You need cabbage for salad. You need cabbage, but we are not making this. We are not using it for salad. We are using it for spiritual purposes to attract wealth, to prepare our money pot wealth. So you need a 5-head cooler. 5 heads cooler. Okay, get your 5 heads cooler. Yeah, for those that hear Igbo. So what do? Get this your cabbage. Remove this face layer of it. This is too strong. Let me show you. I'm trying to remove it, but it's very strong. Just remove it. Use knife to remove it like this. When you remove it, dig a hole inside this cabbage, and then take your cowries, put it inside. Take your 5-head cooler, put it inside. Take your sea salt, like 7 pieces, count it into up to 7 pieces, put it inside, and then use your feather to put it like this, like let the feather be like this inside the hole that you have already created, and then put it inside your calabash. Very easy to perform, very easy. Now put it inside your calabash. Add your rainwater. Rainwater is easy to get this time around because we are in a rainy season. Add your rainwater. Let it cover. You can get a sizable cabbage. This one is big. Get a sizable one that can be able to, you know, enter your this thing, your calabash, and then cover it with your rainwater. Now, after you have done that, carry the calabash like this, and then pray facing directly to the sun. Don't forget me. You are going to be performing this assignment early in the morning. After your morning devotion, carry the calabash. Pray that you need good things. You need wealth. You need money. Every ingredient that we included in this particular recipe, they are all for money. When I mean money, money attraction, very huge one at that matter. So pray facing directly to the sun early in the morning. After you have done praying, decree your wish, declare whatever thing that you want on that calabash, carry it like this, and then after that, go and keep it somewhere. Okay, you can keep it at the edge of your house, and then allow it to begin to ferment or rotten. As it's fermenting, your money is coming in. In fact, money can never lack. As from that, the moment this thing will begin to ferment, the moment this thing will begin to ferment, you will see how money will be coming in your home. You will see how favor you will become. And you mistakenly fetch the water out from that place. The moment this thing begins to ferment, and you mistakenly use to wash your face. Chimo, if you're going out on a appointment, on a business appointment, or maybe you have a contract that you want to award to yourself, you want them to give you, want the government to give you, you mistakenly use this water to wash your face. Just carry go. The appointment is yours. The contract is yours. The business you concluded successfully. This is not a joke. It is working. In fact, it is sort of my recipe in money attraction. This one is, they've taken lights. This one is money preparation pot, guys. All right? Please pardon my dark video that have just taken the lights. It seems as if rain wants to fall since morning. So try and do it and see if you ever lack money again in your life. I don't know if you're getting me. Yes. When the thing is done fermenting, you can put the water in your regular water and then repeat it again. You will never lack money throughout this year. If you're doing this, you will never lack money. All right? So my beloved, that's just it. Just it. But if you still need to order for my product, I have so many products like black palm kernel oil, ojuku palm kernel oil, red and black. I have a favor soap, attraction soap for ladies, for men. So I have a lot of spiritual products. Please, guys, after watching this video, make sure that you like this particular video, okay? Like and then give me your comments at the comment section. So if you need to reach me out, my number is +234 090 59825779 +234 090 59825779. See you guys on my next episode. Do have a lovely day. Bye.